You're so gross, Ellie. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. It's a pleasure meeting you. You want to pet yourself, or I'll pet you for you? Ew, don't throw up on me, please. Whoa, it's a foot. Whatever could that be? Ellie, gross.
What?
He's trying to throw up. I don't like you like that. Our love can never be. No, it can never be. Because you're about this tall.
You wouldn't look good on a date going out together.
Don't back away from me. Come here. Come take my hand. Take my whole life too. Nom nom nom. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you. Yes. Pleasure. Pleasure. He's like, no. Come here. Oh, come here. You're too far away, Bo. Ew! Ellie, I don't want your regurgitated seed. I'm not a small animal like you. I'm not a baby. I don't need you to eat my food for me.